Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the BMax B4 mini computer with an Intel N100, 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes of storage, and I got it on AliExpress for around 160 euros. So that is considerably more expensive than the Firebat T8. But this one also has a slot for a 2.5-inch drive. So you might wonder, why am I buying another Intel N100 computer? Well, this might be a good gift for a friend. So don't be surprised that after this video you won't see it again on my channel. So let's start the unboxing. So here it is. And there is a sticker. Well, when you turn on the computer for the first time, please do not connect it to Ethernet or connect to Wi-Fi. This can avoid some settings to make this computer enter Windows faster. Interesting. Please peel off this mask after application completed. I wonder what they mean with that. Perhaps they mean that you can remove this plastic protector. So here we have, it looks to be headphone, USB-C, 2 times USB-A, looks like 3.0, power button. This is just ventilation, 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB-A 2.0 ports, Ethernet, power, ventilation, and yeah, the screws are accessible, probably to make it easier to install the 2.5-inch drive. Okay, so that's probably Visa mount. We get HDMI cable and the power supply. And that's it. So let me get my Firebat T8 and a screwdriver before I continue. Okay, so as a size comparison, here is the Firebat T8. So the The BMax is only a little bit higher, and then of course a lot wider, because with the Firebat, no way that you could fit in a 2.5-inch drive. Now let's see. When we open it by taking out these screws. Okay. So here's little indenting, so you can, if you have some nails, try to open it. Okay. So you can see the memory module, you can see the 2280 SSD, and here you can fit in the 2.5-inch SSD. So this was the unboxing of the BMax B4 Plus. And yeah, if you really want to have a lot of storage, but you still want a small computer, then this is an interesting option, because besides the 2280 SSD, you also have the option to add an additional 2.5-inch drive. So that's all for now, and hope to see you again in my next video.